Good day, students. Today we want to solve the polynomial on the board by being in the form of addition and fraction, combination of addition and fraction. Let's see what's on the board. You have to know that this is our dividend. Let's write it. Dividend equals 3x squared plus 5x minus 6 divisor plus x minus 3 for the first question, for the first expression. The second division, we are having dividend equals x squared minus 1 divisor equals x plus 1. Now let's start with the first one. This quotient plus remainder over the dividend. Start with the first one, 3x squared plus 5x minus 6. We have x minus 3. What can you multiply with x that will give us 3x squared? Just consider this 3. Put only one x here because we only have another x to multiply it. X times 3x, that's 3x squared. We use this constant to multiply likewise. Minus 3 times 3x, that's minus 9x. Now do your subtraction. 3x squared minus 3x squared, it cancels out. 5x minus 9x, that's negative and negative give us positive. 9 plus 5, that's 14x. Bring this minus 6 down. Minus 6. What can you multiply with x? That will give us 14x plus 14. That will give us plus 14. That's plus 14. X times 14. That's 14x minus 3 times 14. That's a minus 42. Minus 42. Now you do a subtraction. You have 14x minus 14x is 0, and then minus 6 minus 42. That's a 36. That is minus 6 minus 42, and minus 6 plus 42. That's a 36. That's 36. Okay, now to be in this form now, these are our quotient. Now be 3x qx plus rx over dx equals what are qx? These are qx quotient. 3x plus 14 plus remainder, that's 36 over all the divisor. Sorry, this is a divisor, yes, over the divisor x minus 3. Okay, now let's see the second one. We have x squared minus 1 and also x plus 1. Now you are dividing it. Don't forget that we are having x raised power x, I think x cubed. What we are having here is x raised power 3. Sorry, this x raised power 3. This x raised power 3. Okay, now don't forget we're having for x over 3 we're having x squared and x. Now we write it x plus 1. Now x cubed plus 0x squared. 0 multiplied by x squared still give us 0, but we need it in this polynomial, plus 0x minus 1. Okay, to be in that form. Now, what can you multiply with x? It will give us x cubed, that's x squared. X times x squared, that's x cubed. 1 times x squared, that's plus 1x squared. Let's just put 1 so that we not get confused. Now put negative here. X cubed minus x cubed give us 0. 0 minus minus 1 will give us 0 minus plus 1. Sorry, 0 minus plus 1 will give us minus x squared. Okay, bring this one down, plus 0x. What can you multiply with this minus? We multiply with this x, that will give us minus x squared. That's minus x, because there's one x here, and we have a negative here. That's why I introduce negative. X times minus x squared. 1 times minus x will give us minus 1x. What we do here is introduce negative. Minus x squared minus x squared to cancel out. You have to put a sign here that will make sure the two of them cancel. Is that okay? If they are both positive that they are here, just the x squared minus x squared to cancel out. Okay? Now, since we have introduced x here, minus here, and you have minus, like when you have minus x squared minus x squared. Now be minus x squared, negative positive x squared to cancel out. Now, but when you can put positive here, let me say you're having x squared, you're having minus x squared. What you just need to do is to add. Now be x squared plus minus x squared. Now be x squared, plus and negative as negative x squared to cancel out. Okay. Now here, minus x squared minus x squared, it will be 0. 0 minus 1 is as x. Okay, turn to positive. Bring this one down, minus 1. What next? What can we put here that when you multiply with it to give us x, which is plus 1. X times 1, that's x. 1 times 1, that's 1 times 1, that is 1, that's plus 1. We subtract x minus x is 0, minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus plus 1 gives us minus 2. Now to be in this form now, and the q into x plus rx over dx, because what's our quotient? Is our quotient x squared minus x plus 1 plus what's our rx? Remainder minus 2 over the divisor x plus 1, which is equal to x squared minus x plus 1. What's the negative as negative? Minus 2 over x plus 1. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.